Exciting new product announcement for the 6.7 liter Power Stroke guys. This is a engine mounted fuel filtration upgrade product. So this addresses three main issues. One is these factory cheap plastic filters are known to crack, leak, spray fuel into the engine compartment, downtime or fires. Also, these have very small little 1/8 barb plastic tees that get brittle and break over time. And really any of the other offerings out there didn't have what we considered was sufficient filtration capability. So this is the fuel leak prevention kit from S&S Diesel Motorsport. It addresses all these issues plus some. It is an all built aluminum, gets rid of all the brittle plastic stuff, nice spin-on filter. This is a 4-micron filter like the factory configuration with almost double the dirt holding capacity of the factory configuration. It will also come with this fuel leak prevention fitting, because one of the main issues with these is breaking this little brittle tiny fitting here. Again, all metal, get rid of all the plastic junk that's carrying the fuel. And this is a high quality, nice piece here. This is designed for the 2011 to current model year Fords. There is a model year split because on the 2011 to 2016s, there is a T that feeds into one of these ports that brings the injector return in. On the 2017 and newer, they just went to a separate port for the T. Functionally, you have 3 fuel lines coming in and out of this thing, regardless of your configuration. We're pushing, if you have an 11 to 16 or a 17 and up, you get the same configuration, just you cut the injector return off, whether it came off the T or off of here, and you take it to this fitting here instead. So that's going to be a lot better setup for all those guys. The only difference on the model year split on this part is this fitting that goes into the back is longer for the 11 to 16s because we're getting rid of this T, we're getting rid of extra leak joints and extra seals here. It's going to be a lot more robust design. The 2017 and ups are known to break this fitting here as well, and we're addressing that obviously. This will be offered with the engine or the chassis mounted first stage filter. Because some of the aftermarket configurations, you still have to buy the pair from Ford or from somewhere else to get that first filter, even if you have an aftermarket second filter. So there will be a LPK, which is this with this fitting here. There will be an LPK Plus, which comes with the filter that you need, whether it's a cartridge style for 2011 to 16 or whether it's a panel style for 17 and up. Price point on these will be $300, and that is for this filter, the billet filter head fittings, and then the injector return fitting is included in that also. So for the LPK Plus, which comes with the other filter, which is basically what you need to do a full fuel filter change like normal, you get the cartridge style filter on the 11 to 16 for $350 in addition to this, and $367 for the panel style 2017 and up. This has been designed to sit in the factory location. We just get rid of this factory filter cup that was restricting how big of a filter that you could actually use. This will work with a truck that's got a DCR high pressure pump. It'll work with a bone stock factory truck with a CP4, or it'll work with a truck that's got a CP4 and a DPK. All those configurations will work fine. We also are going to be selling this separately. If you have a 2017 and newer truck with that third port and you want to keep your factory filter for some reason, or you have something else, you'll also be able to buy this separately to get you back on the road if you have this thing fail here and break. So these are available for public sale on August 7th. We've got guys are working here diligently in Southern Indiana building these up. We've got dealer orders getting stocked right now, and they'll be available on August 7th for public release. Go ahead and get one on order today. Thanks.